Good morning, sunshines. It's fall, y'all. We're going to take you down on this beautiful, crisp fall morning on a drive down Myrtle Beach. Hey y'all, hey, it's Beachin With The Boones, and we're out here on this beautiful morning to take you down a drive on Ocean Boulevard.
If you love the beach just as much as we do, make sure you like and subscribe to keep up with what's going on around the beach so you can keep beaching. So we're right here at the brand new H2 Oasis water park at the landmark, and it's finally complete. There's your skyline, and I can see part of the sky wheel. You ready to get riding down the boulevard?
Let's do it. Little bumpy start there. And look at that.
Now there's your holiday club vacations.
Very nice luxury motel. Looks a little cloudy today, but it's supposed to be bright and sunny. A little cool.
What's the temperature?
It is 56 degrees and sunny. It is 56 degrees.
Now there's something right here. Oh, that's those, let's see.
They flattened it.
That's where the Seahawk and the Seahorn used to be. I was thinking it was further down here, but it's right at the beginning.
That Residence Inn is huge, isn't it? By Marriott.
There's still a few lingering things from the hurricane. I saw a sign out back there.
Oh, did you? Mine is like those big old seashells right there. Huge.
There's the sand castle.
It's just so nice to come in the fall because you can go to all the festivals that they have, and there's going to be a lot of places that are taking trick-or-treaters next weekend.
Yeah.
Merle's Inlet is doing like a huge trick-or-treating for all the kids down there on Monday.
Ocean Park Resort. We're coming up on the landmark, which is the only bridge that crosses the boardwalk. I mean the, what is this called?
Boulevard Drive.
Boulevard. I'm glad you know where we are. See that sign? There's one out.
Oh, yeah. Oh, here comes the city of Myrtle Beach. Trying to rebuild the dunes, the water park.
Brand new water park.
Oh, do y'all see that little dog?
About run out in front of us.
He looked like one of those little toy dogs. There's the blue. Isn't that the one with the swim up bar?
Yep, Hotel Blue.
I definitely got to check that out next year.
They might have it in the winter. I don't know if it's an indoor.
Well, then I need to check
Well,
it out.
look at the
this
gondolas are gone.
year.
Still from the Ferris wheel here at Family Kingdom. And I don't know if they're gone for the whole winter or just hadn't replaced them from the hurricane. But I do know that this water park here was not even open. Look.
Not
this
summer.
Not this summer, yeah.
As you can see, there's still some sand that's in a lot of sand in sandy areas that shouldn't be. But down there, if you'll see, it says beach bar. There's a cool little beach bar down there that it's nice to hang out during the summer. Art Burger. We did that. And there's my favorite, Tiki Bar.
And here's where the pavilion used to sit.
This is also where they have a lot of festivals.
Yeah, making use of the vacant lot. Fright nights, live zombies, free entertainment. So now they don't have to put the barricades up. They have these railings.
keep you safe. That's a cool candy store. I think y'all did a TikTok in there.
There's a.
Oh, see, you want
So
to get that?
let's get this. Fright Nights. Boardwalk Fright Nights. 2 haunted houses, live zombies and creatures, photo ops, live entertainment.
Sounds like a lot of fun.
That's on Friday and Saturday nights in October. Right here at the Sky Wheel.
Here's another good restaurant.
Beach House?
Yes.
Beach House Bar and Grill.
Riptides is good too.
Yeah, there's a lot of nice little eating places around here, like the Tin Roof.
Rusty. Little bump.
There's the Funplex. It's still rocking and rolling. We didn't go there this summer though.
There's the sun.
Sand Castle. That's a nice one. Camelot by the sea.
Bums is good too.
Yeah, I like Palms.
Me too. And everybody loves the famous Breakers.
All right, we'll turn right here at 21st Avenue North.
Where Hot Tomatoes in Soho is. Uh-oh. Here comes some.
We hope you enjoyed this short video of going down the Boulevard in the fall. Make sure you like and subscribe to keep up with what's going on.
So you too can keep beaching.